Hi everyone, my name is Ray Mears and I'm the Participant Pool Coordinator for the Psychology Department here at UMW. As part of your general psychology experience here at UMW, the Psychology Department would like you to engage in the research process so that you can develop a better understanding of how research in psychology is conducted. You are required to earn a specific amount of credits. You can do this by either being a participant in studies or writing research papers. I'm here to talk to you about the participant option. Many of our faculty and upper-level psychology students are conducting research projects this semester, and you can earn credit by serving as a participant. While the nature of these studies will differ depending on what research is being done, you will always have the opportunity to be fully informed about what you will be asked to do before agreeing to participate. Participating in a 30-minute study will grant you 0.5 credits, and studies over 30 minutes are one whole credit out of the sum you need, which is on the homepage of Canvas. Studies are either in person or online. Remember to check the rules to see how many of those credits must be earned through an in-person study. The Canvas page and SONA pages I am about to show you are examples, and the exact content may vary from semester to semester. Please be sure to carefully read the Canvas page you were invited to and look at the credit requirements on SONA. As a participant, you'll have full access to the Participant Pool Canvas page. This is where you can find my office hours, information about the alternative assignment, and it's where I'll be posting information about new available studies and other pertinent information. To sign up for studies, both in person and online, you'll need to go to the SONA link. The first time you log into SONA, your username and password will be the first half of your UMW email. This means that if my name was fake student and my email was fstudent@umw.edu, then my username would be fstudent and my password would also be fstudent. Once you get into SONA, go to My Profile and change your password to something more secure. To sign up for a study, all you need to do is click the View Available Studies button, and it'll take you to a page with all the available studies. To learn more about a study, click on it. It's important to note the information on this page. Some studies will have eligibility requirements, such as this one, which says you must be right-handed to participate. Additionally, some studies will have preparation you need to do, such as don't drink caffeine 4 hours before participating in the study. This study is 30 minutes, so you would earn 0.5 credits. Additionally, there's a deadline, so you cannot sign up 24 hours before the appointment. To view time slots, just click the green button at the bottom, and it will take you to a page with all the available time slots. Once you find one that works for you, click on it and then press sign up. It'll show you where you need to go for the study and what time, and then it'll also email you a report with both of those things. Then go back to the home page and you should see the credits overview. If it's an online study that you've already completed, you should see the credits earned. However, if it's in person, it'll be pending until you complete the study. With that being said, if you can't show up for a study, please cancel. If you do a no-show, then you're hindering both the researcher's chance to collect data and other students' chances to do the studies. There's a no-show policy in place. After every no-show, you'll get an email giving you a warning. After 2 no-shows, you will no longer be allowed to participate in research credits. Instead, you will have to do the alternative assignment. To cancel a study, just click the View and Cancel My Study Appointments, find the study you signed up for, and press Cancel. It'll take you to a page where you need to confirm it, and just press the Yes, I want to cancel button. And then you'll have cancelled the study. You sign up for online studies the same way that you sign up for in-person ones. The only difference is that you don't have to go anywhere. The researchers will send you a link in which you can complete the online study. Please pay close attention to the deadlines for online studies. So that shows you how to sign up for studies, but I also wanted to go over some helpful tips with you. Try to check SONA often, as studies are approved on a rolling basis. Keep an eye out for Canvas notifications announcing new studies and important information. Also, make sure you don't wait too long to sign up for studies. The time slots can fill up fast. If you wait until the last minute, you will miss your opportunity to participate in research studies, and you'll have to do the alternative assignment instead to fulfill the requirement. If you're under 18, you'll need to fill out the Guardian Consent Form, which is also located on the Canvas homepage. You can download this, fill it out, and then email it to me. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out by emailing me or stopping by my office hours.